Looking for a demolition jackhammer that can actually handle tough concrete without wearing you out? Today we're ranking 5 popular options from light-duty breakers all the way up to serious concrete crushing machines. Starting off at the bottom of our list, we've got the VEVOR. Now, don't get me wrong, this tool looks powerful on paper thanks to that big motor number, but real-world braking performance tells a slightly different story. Compared to the others in today's lineup, it just doesn't hit as hard per strike, which means it can take longer to chew through thick concrete. On the plus side, it's built with a solid metal body and a rotating side handle that makes it easier to control from different angles. For lighter demolition jobs like breaking up small slabs, removing tile beds, or knocking out brick, it does the job without feeling totally overwhelming. It's also one of the more approachable tools here for someone who's never used a jackhammer before. Where it falls behind is in raw braking efficiency. The slower hit rate and lower per hit force mean it struggles more with dense, reinforced concrete compared to the higher-ranked tools. Add in the weight once you've got accessories attached, and longer sessions can get tiring pretty quickly. This one makes sense for homeowners tackling occasional projects rather than daily heavy-duty demolition. If you're stepping up from a small hammer drill and want something stronger without going all in on a pro machine, this could be your starting point. And speaking of stepping up, let's move to a brand that's known for professional job site tools. By the way, you'll find links to all the tools in this review at the best prices down in the description under the video. Next up is the Bosch, and this is where we start seeing more job site focused design. Even though its impact number looks lower than some others, this tool is built for durability, control, and long working hours. In my experience, that balance really matters when you're not just breaking one small slab, but working through a full day of demolition. It has excellent vibration control compared to the cheaper models, and that makes a huge difference in how your arms and shoulders feel after an hour or two. The handle positions and overall balance make it easier to keep the bit where you want it, especially on vertical surfaces or when you're working along a wall. It feels more refined and controlled than the entry-level options. The trade-off is that it's not the fastest breaker here when it comes to pure brute force. If your only goal is to smash through thick concrete as fast as possible, some of the higher energy tools will outpace it, and at close to 40 pounds it's not exactly light, so overhead work is still a workout. This is a great choice for contractors or serious DIers who value reliability and comfort over raw smashing power. If you're doing repeated jobs and want a tool that feels stable and well built, this one earns its place. Before we jump to the next model, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tool reviews. Now we're getting into the sweet spot for many users. The Berserker offers a strong mix of impact force and hit speed, which helps it break concrete faster than the lower-ranked models. It's noticeably more aggressive when you press the bit into a slab, and chunks start coming loose more quickly. What I really like here is the balance between power and weight. At around 30 pounds, it's still heavy, but much easier to handle than the biggest breakers. The adjustable side handle and vibration-reducing design make it feel more manageable during longer sessions, especially for floor demolition or driveway sections. On the downside, it's still a corded tool, so you're dealing with extension cords and limited mobility. It's also not built to the same heavy-duty standard as premium professional models, so for constant daily commercial use, it may wear faster over time. This is a strong option for serious home renovators and light professional work, where you need real braking power but don't want a massive, ultra-heavy machine. And if you're thinking that sounds good, wait until you see the next tool, which pushes the power even further. The ENEACRO takes everything we liked about the previous tool and adds a bit more punch. With higher impact force, it breaks through thick concrete more confidently, making it feel like a clear step up when you're working on tougher surfaces. It also comes as a more complete package, with multiple chisels and a transport case, which is great if you're just getting started and don't already own accessories. The handle design helps with control, and while it still vibrates like any heavy breaker, it feels steady and predictable in use. The main drawback is that it's still fairly heavy and corded, so you'll feel it in your arms during long jobs, and you're tied to a power source. Build quality is solid for the price, but it's not quite in the same league as high-end professional brands when it comes to long-term daily abuse. This is ideal for homeowners doing major renovations or small contractors who need strong performance without jumping to the most expensive pro tools. But if you want the most brute force in this lineup, the next one takes the top spot. At number 1, we have the XtremepowerUS, and this thing is all about raw braking power. With the highest impact force in our group and a fast hit rate, it tears into concrete, asphalt, and thick slabs with serious authority. You can really feel the difference when the bit starts biting and large chunks begin to separate. It's built for tough jobs where speed matters, like breaking up driveways, foundations, or heavy footings. The extra power means you spend less time forcing the tool and more time letting it do the work. For big demolition tasks, that can save a lot of effort over the course of a project. The obvious downside is weight. This is the heaviest tool on the list, and after a while your arms and back will remind you of that. It's also less refined in terms of vibration control than some premium professional models, so comfort takes a backseat to brute strength. This one is best for people who need maximum braking performance and don't mind handling a heavier tool to get it. If your priority is getting through the toughest material as fast as possible, this is the powerhouse of the group. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out the top tools using the links in the description below. If this helped you choose the right jackhammer, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.